Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming the single application you want online and the device it runs on. Once done, sign into your router or open your PC firewall as admin because you'll change network rules there. Make sure to jot the app's port numbers and whether it uses TCP or UDP. This is critical for correct routing. Next, assign a static IP to the device or reserve it in the router so rules always apply to the same machine. Start applying the first firewall or router rule now. Now you'll create the specific allow rule for that app's port and your device's static IP address. This lets only that traffic through. Then add a deny all or block rule for other outbound traffic from that device, but set the allow rule's priority higher so it isn't overridden. If your router supports it, bind rules to the app's protocol and interface to prevent leaks. Once these rules are in place, test connectivity from the device while watching logs to confirm only the app's ports are active. Finish by running a port scan or launching the app and observing the connection. You should see only the allowed ports responding. If anything else reaches the internet, immediately revoke or disable the broad rules and reapply the allow rule more precisely. Make sure to save and back up your router or firewall configuration. Troubleshooting tip: if the app still fails, double-check the device IP, port numbers, and TCP versus UDP selection. Mismatches here are the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.